the secret ingredient that made this healthy wrap even healthier. Can you guess what it is? First, take 2 cups of boiled rajma and grind it in a mixer grinder. In a pan, heat some oil. Once it's hot, add jeera, chopped onions, and a little ginger. Sauté until the onions turn golden brown. Then grind this mixture along with 2 cups of soaked soya nuggets. Now, in a large bowl, mix the rajma and the soya mixture. Add chopped coriander, salt, haldi, red chili powder, black pepper, coriander powder, garam masala, and 2 tablespoons of roasted besan. Mix everything well and shape it into kababs. For the dough, take 2 cups of besan and 1 cup of wheat flour. Grate 100 grams of paneer into it. Add a pinch of salt and 1 tablespoon oil and knead it into a soft dough. Cook the kababs in a pan until crispy and golden. At the same time, roll out and make rotis using the dough. Now let's assemble the wrap. Take the roti, spread some green chutney, place the kababs, grate a little cheese, and toast it on the pan until everything is crispy and melty. That's it! Your paneer wrap with soya kababs is ready. Tasty, filling, and full of protein.